Hello there my curly hair divas, it's Lynette Sally again, and today I'm going to show you how to properly wash your Bella Kurls Curly Clipins. Don't forget that we have 4 different textures, that's curly, kinky, afro, and wavy. They can all be washed the same way, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to take care of your curly clip. So what you're going to need to get started is of course your Bella Kurls Curly Clipins. And I prefer to use a detangler brush versus a wide tooth comb because it helps detangle the hair much easier. Furthermore, you're going to need sulfate-free shampoo and sulfate-free conditioner, a leave-in conditioner or a hair serum, or hey, even both. And lastly, a sink because we need that running water. Ready? Let's get started. You're going to want to let the water run enough to fill up the sink. I prefer to do weft by weft and leave the weft in there just for a little bit, that way it can soak up all the suds. It's very important to use a sulfate-free shampoo and sulfate-free conditioner, that way it does not dry out your curly hair extensions. And the reason I like doing weft by weft is because that prevents any tangling. You're going to see a whole lot of scrunching throughout the whole video just because scrunching does help enhance those curls, especially with the deep wave texture. If you want to keep your curls lasting longer, scrunching is a must. Now, after you rinse off the shampoo, we're going to go on with the conditioner because curly hair needs a lot of moisture. And you guys already know that since you guys already have natural curly hair. You really want to distribute all the product into the hair, that way it's going to be easier to detangle. As I mentioned before, I like using a detangler brush versus a wide tooth comb just because it definitely helps take out any knots. Please note that it's very important to be gentle with your curly hair extensions because after all, they are hair extensions and shedding is going to be normal. But if you pull too hard, you're going to cause a lot more shedding than expected. And last but not least, I do like to do either leave-in conditioner or a hair serum just to lock in moisture and give it that shine once it dries. And now you're going to let your clip-in curly hair extensions air dry by laying them down side by side on a flat surface. And that's all, ladies. That's how you wash your Bella Kurls Curly Clip-ins.